Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in this next demonstration video of the All-in Options Journal spreadsheet. In this video I will show you the powerful and super handy Results Report tab and how easy it is to analyze your trading results with this filter option. So for this demo I have continued to enter a couple of trades in the journal for Mary and John, as you can see here, to allow me to show you the Results Report tab and the filter results in action. First, let us take a look here at the dashboard of the journal. There are 8 different entries made in the journal. 7 of them are trade entries, as you can see, and that's because depositing cash, like you can see here in the journal itself, is not considered to be a trade. I will elaborate on the reasons of entering data such as depositing cash, withdrawing cash and receiving dividends in one of the next videos about the use of the spreadsheet for the wheel strategy. So I have entered in total 7 option trades and no stock trades yet, and the dashboard indicates there are still 2 option trades open with a total unrealized negative profit loss of minus $47. The total realized profit loss is green, and the dashboard indicates it is $353 at this moment. So some trades are already closed, as you can see here in the journal itself with the dark gray rows. Some are still open, and there are trades identified as the wheel strategy, you can see here, and the enter trades are for the trading accounts for Mary and John, with John and Mary selected as the traders who have executed trades and entered them in the journal. Now, when I look at the journal, I immediately notice that there is an issue at row 20 here. The expiration date of the 18th of August 23 is marked in red. We can also see that the position status of this trade is indicated in red. Option has expired in the real world, so we actually should also close the trade in the journal. So this status should be set to closed, and I will do that right now. And when we do so, the row turns in a darker gray color, indicating that it's completely closed right now. Remember that when the status of a position is not set correctly, the calculation in the spreadsheet may be incorrect also. So pay attention to this colored indication in the journal. Now let us take a look at the results report. This tab comprises a couple of tables. The power of the filter possibilities in the results report tab lies in the fact that we can enter all trades in one and the same spreadsheet, and that it's no longer required to use other and different spreadsheets or tabs. This makes it super handy and very easy to use. So in this tab on the top left, you can see the filter selectors for displaying the results for the closed positions. You see here, filtered results for closed positions. We can filter on trade account, we can filter on trader, and now it's mentioned on, but I will select all. We have the period by selecting the from date and the till date, and we can filter on the stock ticker here. And we can also filter on the wheel ID. I will come to that later when I make the video about the wheel strategy. With all selected for the account, trader and the stock, I will of course look at the results of all the closed positions, and this for all trade accounts, all traders and all stock during the selected period. When you change the selectors, you will see that the output in table 2 changed. So for example, let's change the account to John. And you can see that also here and here are changes. Let's go in, all. For example, 7 trade entries. If I select only John's account, you see that the numbers change to 4. Okay, so when I change some selectors, the values will correspond accordingly to the filter selection. Ain't that beautiful? And ain't that handy? Here on the bottom right, we have a generated view of the open positions, and as it is mentioned, it applies only to the filter of the account, the trader and the stock. It will not filter for the period nor will it filter for the real ID, because it's an overview of open positions. This report and overview is, in my opinion, very powerful and allows a very easy way to analyze your weekly, monthly and yearly results. I advise to change and play a little bit with the selectors to see the change in the results, to get a good feel about how easy and useful this filter feature actually is. I can say that this is for me so easy and useful, and I'm convinced that this will be also for you a part of the spreadsheet that you will use very often. Do not worry about the selections made for the wheel strategy, because these will be explained in detail in one of the coming videos. So for now, discover and play a little bit with the results report app, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email or post your question in the comments below. Thank you for following till the end, and I will see you in the next video.